Hey, so here's Revolut, and there is a really nice cool feature. If you just tap in the arrows icon at the bottom, how you can invite users, and basically just tap on this icon similar to AirPlay, just like a person icon in the top right, and then it will start to search for Revolut users near you. So you need to first give access to your location. You can do that only while you're using the app. Tap on gear icon, and then you need to enable also share with contacts. And then what it does, it will just share your location with your contacts while using near me. You won't be able to see their location. So just if there are some people around you who are using Revolut, then you can just pay them or request payments and all of that. So that's like a quick way to do that. So hope that was helpful.